I made over $39,000 last month with digital products that I didn't even create. And I didn't spend a single penny on ads. I know that sounds crazy, right? But that's the power of knowing where and how to market your digital products the right way. Because here's the truth, it doesn't matter how good your product is. If nobody sees it, it won't sell. And the problem, most gurus keep this kind of marketing information locked inside $500, even $1,000 courses. They don't want you to know that it can be done actually with free organic strategies. Well, that stops today, my friends, because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how and where you can start promoting your products without spending a single dime on ads. And if we haven't met yet, hey, my name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. And just in case you're wondering why you should even listen to me, in just over 18 months, I've made over 7 figures online with digital products, many of which I didn't even create myself. But here's the important part. I've also tried everything else, like expensive 10K programs, print on demand, Amazon influencer, TikTok, Instagram, network marketing, you name it. I probably tested it. Some worked, most didn't. But the point is, I know what's working today, and I know what's a complete waste of your time. I'm passionate about teaching fellow midlifers how to build online income streams that give them the freedom to work less, live more, and finally design a lifestyle that they love. Before we jump into me explaining all these platforms to you, you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the description below. It's free. And it shows you the exact roadmap that I personally use to build all multiple streams of income online without any paid ads. Now, here's what you need to understand right off the bat. You can make the prettiest product in the world. You can spend weeks building it, but if no one sees it, it will not sell. Creating the product is maybe about 20% of the equation. The other 80%, that's marketing, my friend. Like, marketing is what gets your product in front of the people that want it. It's what makes them say, wow, I need this in my life. And selling, that's just the natural next step. Turning attention into income. You need both, but it starts with visibility. And that's what we're breaking down today. How to get eyes on your product without paying for ads. So first, let's talk about Instagram, because I know a lot of people here are already using it. And here's the deal. Instagram can be a bit of a slower grow compared to things like TikTok, but people there often have more purchasing power. At least that's what statistics show. They're used to buying. And what I love about Instagram is you can have automation tools. You can connect apps like ManyChat to automate DMs, send freebies, and even deliver products or links while you are not even on the platform. So for me, Instagram isn't my main growth platform anymore, but I still use it to nurture my audience, like to show some behind the scenes and stories and to connect personally. Like, think of Instagram like the living room of your online business. People are hanging out, they're getting to know you and build trust. So while I don't rely on Instagram really massively for growth anymore, I absolutely use it to convert, nurture the audience that I already have. Now let's talk about Facebook, because really I still use it, just a little differently. So here's what I like about Facebook. You can keep your personal and your business separate because they have a business page that you can create. So I have a personal page for my family and friends and sharing pictures of my grandkids and just fun stuff. And then I have a business page for things that are business related. So every now and then I will share a business update on my personal page because, hey, it's part of who I am. And people need to understand that. But here's the honest truth. I don't use Facebook much anymore. Why? Because Facebook just doesn't push my content out the way I want or the way it used to. And as a business owner, if my content isn't reaching people, then it's not worth the time and effort. So yes, I still have my presence there, but compared to the other platforms that I'm about to share, Facebook is more of a side dish, not the main course. So then let's talk about TikTok. Now, this is where my business kind of exploded. I made over $650,000 from TikTok. Like, that's right, like multiple 6 figures just from organic videos on TikTok. But let me also be real with you, like TikTok is high maintenance. If you want growth there, you're looking at posting 2 to 3 videos per day, every single day. And if you stop, the algorithm punishes you, really. Like for me, that meant I was basically married to my phone. It didn't feel like freedom. And it's not the type of life that I wanted to build. So, on top of that, TikTok is one of the worst, honestly, platforms for scammers. People literally duplicate my videos and pretend to be me. Like, check this out. It's sickening, in all honesty. And they try to scam people. Like, reporting them is exhausting. It's like playing whack a mole. Like, I shut down one account and 2 more pop up like a bad weed. So, while TikTok can absolutely bring you fast visibility and income, I eventually had to shift my focus because I wanted freedom, not burnout. Now, don't get me wrong, I still hop over there for fun videos now and then because short form content is great. But for long term freedom, TikTok isn't where I wanted to build my foundation. And that brings me to my favorite platform this today is YouTube. If I could start all over again today, this would be the platform I would choose first. And here's why. YouTube content is evergreen. A TikTok might last 48 hours, an Instagram reel, maybe a little longer, but a YouTube video, it can work for you for months, even years. YouTube builds authority. When people search for answers, your video gets put out in front of them as the center go-to guide in your niche. That's the authority you can build. And it's searchable, right? Google owns YouTube, and YouTube literally pays you once you're monetized. So you're getting reoccurring income from YouTube itself on top of whatever products that you're selling or promoting. So check this out here. Here's what I've personally made over the last 90 days from YouTube's AdSense. Now, this didn't happen overnight, but with learning how to do YouTube correctly, growth happens and income comes. For me, YouTube is the true definition of freedom. I only need to post 1 video a week, and those videos continue to bring me in views, subscribers, and sales, even while I'm camping with my grandkids or traveling with my husband. And the buyers who come from YouTube, they're higher quality. That's statistics again, not me. They're serious. They've already spent 10 to 20 minutes watching you, learning from you, and trusting you. So when they decide to buy, they're ready. Now, if you want help starting, you'll want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. It's in the description below. It'll show you exactly how to launch your channel the right way. It's exactly how I did it. Now, finally, I want to talk to you about one piece that ties everything together, and that's email. If there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this: email equals income. Did you know email is 40 times more effective at driving sales than social media alone? That's because it's more personal. People can reply, you can build relationships, and you don't have to fight an algorithm to reach your own audience. Every platform I talked about, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, should all point back to your email list because you don't own platforms, but your email list, that's yours forever. With email, you can nurture your audience, you can build trust, you can sell them over and over again. That's why I always say start growing your email list from day one. So here's the big takeaway today. Instagram is for nurturing and automation. Facebook is fine for presence, but it's not my main growth tool. TikTok can explode your growth, but it drains you and attracts a lot of scammers. And YouTube is evergreen and freedom focused. And email is the most profitable channel of all. And at the end of the day, this is what it's about, right? Building a business that actually gives you freedom, not one that burns you out. So if you've been looking for something that actually works, I have a free class that walks you through this entire business model that I've been doing step by step, showing you exactly how I've built multiple streams of income online without paying 1 cent for ads. You can grab the link in the description below, go watch it now, take notes, and see for yourself how this can work for you too. And if you want, reply to my email and ask me any questions. And now that you know the platforms that actually work without any monthly costs or paying anything for advertising, you're going to want to watch this next video right here, where I show you how I use this exact strategy to retire myself at 55 years of age and make multiple six figures in my very first year. I'll see you over there, my friend.